tell you what, we got
Yeah.
all kinds.
If we didn't have bad luck, we wouldn't have no luck at all.
That's right.
That's the saying. That's how we are. That's how we roll.
Oh, babe.
We come up here to Hiawassee to pick up a car. Just gonna be a smooth trip up, smooth trip back. What happens? No. We get up here, the batteries go bad, the alternator goes bad. But the saving grace is that we were at the tire store, Sean Thomas Tire and Service Center. So they actually had batteries. Was able to put the batteries in. CarQuest delivered an alternator. The hub's over here. He's gonna change it. We actually brought a few tools with us. So we might have bad luck, but we still have a little bit of good luck.
Luckily we're at a
tire store.
Mechanic shop tire store.
Yep. And if we had to stay, there's a Budget Inn across the street. So,
Yeah.
But this is what we bought. We did buy it. We still got to load it up and get back home another hour and a half back. So let's hope we make it. I don't know. I hope she cranks up and does all right. We'll see. He'll fix it one way or the other.
That's right, babe. You know me.
We got it all changed up. I'm gonna try to crank it up and see if the battery light goes out. Oh my goodness. Never ending. Phone's running off the hook. People's at the lot.
Huh?
I said it's never ending.
Never ending, babe. Ready?
You ready? Is it off?
It's off.
Oh, good. That's great. Wonderful.
And the gauge is reading that it's charging. It was reading it was charging earlier.
Yeah. We sure are thankful to the Sean Thomas Tire Center here. They have helped us out tremendously. And what is he on Instagram? Big Fat Tire? Fat Tire?
Fat Tire Guy.
Fat Tire Guy.
I think it's Fat Tire Guy. We'll have to ask him.
Yeah,
again to make
Fat
sure.
Tire Guy. Check him out on
Fat Tire
Instagram.
Guy.
He has really helped us out. We appreciate it. Here to pick up this Falcon, 63 and a half.
Yeah.
Falcon. Gonna pick it up, load her up, take her home.
You could tear somebody's house half down. Oh, don't worry about it. It's all right.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah. Oh Lord. Is that thing gonna go up on there?
It went up on mine.
Ooh.
That thing's pretty light because there ain't nothing in the car.
Yeah.
Let me let this down just a little bit. Yeah. And we're all.
Alright, well we stopped to make sure we got her strapped down good. Ain't nothing moving. We had a long ride back on a very curvy road. And my nerves are shot. So
What is it, baby?
he's a strapping her down.
Driving her down.
Sitting on a trailer.
Yeah, but
So we got a very curvy road to go back on. It's been an all day trip.
up and down mountains.
Up and down mountains,
Or
hills, curves, however you want to put it. But anyway, it's all so far so good now. We're not gonna complain.
That's right.
Hit that like, hit that subscribe. We'd love to hear what you got to say about this new treasure we just bought.
I don't know about that, babe. Some people, babe.
Tell us what you think about his new project.
Oh, no. I don't know if I want to hear everybody.